back in the Bighorns this morning. I found this creek, did some research on it. It's supposed to have some brook trout and rainbow in it. So let's go find out. Now this morning I broke out my 7.5 foot 3-weight. Yes, sir. Ooh, that water's cold this morning. Look how dark colored he is. Man, let's get him back. There you go, little guy. You know, folks, I'm not catching big fish today. But look at the area I'm visiting because I like to chase trout. Beautiful trees up there changing color. This is just a beautiful place. And this is why I like chasing these trout. Get him out there in the sun. Look how beautiful that fish is. Absolutely amazing. Kind of tips like a brook trout. Come here, little guy. These are some beautiful fish, colorful fish. And back in there. Oh, and there he goes. Okay. I have come way down the mountain to this access point. I'll go see if the fish are any bigger down here. Right now, I'm going down in that hole to catch a fish. Oh yeah. That's a better fish. And it's a brown. Look at that dude. Yes, sir. Good looking fish. Oh, there's nothing. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back. Wow. Okay, well, I spent about an hour and a half, 2 hours down in that canyon. Only caught 2 fish, which you just saw. But now, it wasn't worth the effort. So I came out and I'm gonna go find me a campsite and make me some food. I'm getting hungry.